today we're making vanilla milkshakes. You know, our budget like increased a lot. Like,
I know.
look at this. Like, we have a little studio, professional lights. Let's show you guys how to make vanilla milkshakes. So first, you'll need obviously vanilla ice cream, like obvious.
Yep. And some milk.
Now this is great milk, you know, great quality.
Thank you. Do you get at Walmart?
Whipped cream, caramel. Is it caramel or caramel? Anyways, caramel, syrup, chocolate syrup, and sprinkles where we'll use the whole bottle. So yeah. So let's get into making this. Trying to open it, guys. Actually,
I think we need to.
we should make a bigger milkshake, you know? The most awesomest, greatest milkshake of all time. Anyways, we'll also add, almost add a half cup of milk.
Do you need help?
You can try it.
No. There you go.
Oh yeah, the whipped cream. You know, add to the top of this.
God.
Wait, how do you open this? I've never opened whipped cream before. Hold on.
I can tell.
So, Katie, why didn't you put the chocolate in your milkshake?
Sorry. You see, Miguel, I got this from Walmart.
No, Walmart has a lot of great things, you know. So.
And I thought chocolate syrup was supposed to go in the fridge.
Wait, what does that say? Right.
Do not put it in the fridge.
Yeah, do not refrigerate. No.
Oh.
Can you put this in the fridge? You know, at least we have the caramel, so
Yeah.
I guess let's taste it. I think this is really good, you know. I would give it an 11 out of 10.
Give it a 8.
It's actually really good, you know. How about you make yours now? You know, let's see who can make the best one.
I think somebody's out to get us.
What if this place is haunted, you know? You know, I actually heard that from... Okay, hold on. Hear me out here.
Okay.
So I have a friend who has a brother who went to the school.
He said his good friend on the basketball team, his sister was on the volleyball team, and she and her team stayed out here like one night, and they said it's a ghost.
So what if this place was haunted?
Maybe. I think you watched too many, yeah. Too many shows. I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
This could be the best. This
I'm
is
sorry. What was
this
that?
is gonna be
What was that?
the best milkshake ever.
What'd you say?
This is gonna be the best milkshake ever, you know.
Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Wow. Do you need help?
Nope. Yep.
It's not that much, guys. It's not that much. This is really amazing.
How is it?
10 out of 10. You know, not as good as mine, but still